Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video you saw how I travel at night and when I go back to my home, and now I'm gonna show you how I go to my job and how I travel in daytime. So there is this bridge to cross the road when you come at Machlis Park metro station, but I'm going to use this lift right over here, and right now it is on the ground floor. Okay, it is already here. So this is outfit of the day, and now I have to go upstairs. So now from here I'll just go upstairs and I will cross the road by using the bridge. And I think it is nice that we have this bridge because crossing the road is not a cup of tea for people here, because the road is quite big. Like from this to that side, it's a very big road, and then there is this border line as well, so it's very hard to cross the road. So that is why we have this bridge over here. And let's see how much money do I have in my card, because I think last night my card went into minus balance. I have to check if I have enough amount to get the entry inside the metro station or not. So now I'm already at the metro station and I'm going to use my card. Let's see if I can get the entry or not. Okay, I have some amount in my card. So it was another card that went into minus balance, and because I have two cards, so in this card I have some amount, so I was able to get the entry. Now I'm going on the platform through this escalator. I think the metro is already here. Oh yeah, the metro is already here, so I have to get inside the metro as soon as possible. Otherwise I will miss it, and then the other metro will come very late, and I don't want to be late for my job. So now I'm inside the metro and there are so many people, but because I have to work on my skills, so I had to stop recording because there was a person who was talking on the call. You might have already heard his voice. He was screaming on the call, so I got scared because I thought he might also scream at me, or maybe I thought that he is furious, so he might also get angry because I'm recording the video of the metro. Because I have seen a lot of videos where people out of nowhere come and then they shout at you that why are you recording or something. But I think it shouldn't be a problem as long as you're just recording your face. You're not recording anyone else's face without their consent. So now I'm sitting at this. So finally now I'm at the metro station, but guess what? I took the exit at the wrong metro station because I was busy watching Nas daily video about their breakup, and I was so much invested into that I even forgot that at what station I had to take the exit. It happened with me many times, but I still don't know why. I still don't notice. So now I'm again waiting for the metro so that I can go at my station and then take the exit and then go to my job. Thankfully that I have enough time. I already left my home before half an hour, so even if something happens to me, I will still be able to reach on time. And today something actually happened that I took the exit at the wrong metro station. So finally now I came at Rajouri Garden metro station where I had to take the exit, and I'm waiting for the lift to come on the ground floor. It's on the first floor right now. So when you take the exit from Rajouri Garden and when you change the line from pink to blue, then you have to go from this side, and I don't know why it is always so much crowded and why the people are always running whenever they have to change the line. Like it's not just about a day or two. Every day I see people running, and you will see how crowded it is right now. Right now, in fact, it is not much crowded. Otherwise, when you come here nearby 12:30 or 1 o'clock, then it's extremely crowded, and people always keep running all the time. Anyways, let me give you some glimpse of the metro station. When you change the line from this metro station, the bad thing is that you have to walk a lot because the distance is extremely huge. Let me just show you. I came from that side and it's extremely huge distance. But the good thing is that we have this sliding escalator, like it slides itself and then you don't have to walk much. So that's a good part. And now I just go from here. I have to go on that platform. I don't know if you can see it or not. I have to go to that metro station. It's not visible from here because we have these things here. So that's why you cannot see the metro station. But yes, I have to go to the left side and then I will take Blue Line Metro and I will go towards Dwarka Sector 21. So now I am at the metro station, and now I will just get the metro from here and I will go to my destination. And that was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video up to the very end. And that is how I travel in daytime when I have to go to my job from my home. And I will see you in the next video. My metro has also come now, so I will just get the metro and go to my destination. Bye, guys.